Welcome. In this video I will show you how to hard reset your Google Pixel 11 Pro. I'm going to show you both routes, starting with the settings factory reset. To perform factory reset operation through the settings, we're going to have to first open up settings on our device, then scroll down to system and open the system menu. Now, once you're here, before performing the factory reset operation, we're gonna have to go to backup and back up all the important data on our device in this menu. And once you're ready to erase all data from your smartphone, scroll down to reset options, select this option, and then go with erase all data. Now we're gonna have to tap erase all data and proceed until the factory reset operation is finished. Now, the other way to perform a factory reset operation when you don't have access to your system is to do that through the recovery mode. To perform factory reset operation through recovery mode, press power button and volume up key at the same time. Then select power off option on your screen and wait until your device is shut down. Once it is, you're gonna have to press and hold power button and volume down keys at the same time. And once your device vibrates, it didn't even vibrate, but if your device vibrates, release the power key and keep holding the volume down key until you see this menu. Here you have to navigate using volume keys and select with the power button. Wait until the recovery mode is highlighted and then press power button to select it. Now, in a moment you're gonna see the Android robot on your screen. To skip it, should press the power button and then press volume up key while holding the power button. Now, this will get you to the recovery mode. To perform factory reset operation through here, you're gonna have to navigate down using volume down key or volume up key to wipe data / factory reset option. Select it with the power button, and on the following screen you're gonna have to select factory data reset, and after you do that, your device will proceed by performing the factory reset. After that, you'll see a bunch of logs at the bottom of your screen. Then you'll get redirected back to this menu where you're gonna have to select Reboot System Now option and wait until your device restarts. Now, this restart will take you a while, so I recommend keeping your device charged during this process. And that's pretty much how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.